सत श्री अकाल सारिਆਂ ਨੂੰ मैं डॉक्टर मीनाक्षी श्योर स्कोर एस इंस्टीट्यूट बरनाला तो सो ਅੱਜ ਮੈਂ ਸਪੀਕਿੰਗ ਟੈਸਟ ਲੈਣ ਚੱਲੀ ਹਾਂ ਬੱਚੇ ਦਾ ਐਂਡ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਸਾਰੀ ਦੇਖਣ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਐਂਡ ਤੇ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਦੱਸਣੇ ਬੱਚੇ ਦੇ ਬੈਂਡ ਸਕੋਰ ਇੱਕ ਗੱਲ ਹੋਰ ਜਾਣਬੁੱਝ ਕੇ ਬੈਂਡ ਸਕੋਰ ਘੱਟ ਨਹੀਂ ਦੱਸਣੇ ਬੱਚੇ ਨੂੰ ਡੀਮੋਟੀਵੇਟ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਨਾ ਓਕੇ ਚਲੋ ਫਿਰ ਕਰੀਏ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ Welcome to the speaking portion of IELTS exam. My name is Dr. Meenakshi and I'm going to conduct your speaking test. I will give you instructions for each of 3 parts. I'm recording this for the clerical purposes. We have 3 parts in speaking. For part 1, I will ask you a couple of questions to get to know you better and some questions on the general topics. Let's begin.
Yes, ma'am.
What's your full name?
My full name is Jaskaran Singh.
How we call you?
You may call me by my first name, Jas.
Where do you come from?
I am dweller of Kanike. It is a small but very beautiful place of district Barnala.
That's good. Let's talk about language. What languages do you speak?
Well, being a multilingual person, I can speak many languages such as Punjabi, Hindi, English as well as Korean.
That's good. When do you learn English?
I remember exactly when I was in first standard, I started learning English and I started with the alphabet.
Good. Do you think English is very difficult for you to learn?
No, I don't think that English is difficult to learn because one can learn English with a lot of efforts as well as determination.
That's good. Or would you like to learn other languages?
Yes, definitely. I have great interest in other languages, especially in French, as I have planned to go abroad for my higher studies in Canada, and it would be very fruitful for me if I learn French.
Good. Let's talk about smile. Do you like to wear smile on your face?
Yes, definitely. I like to wear a smile on my face because it brings positivity in me and also do motivate me.
Good. Should people smile more?
Yes, definitely. As smile has a lot of benefits to the individuals, they can stay positive. Apart from that, they can make the earth a better place for live if they do smile.
Good. Do you smile while clicking pictures?
Yes, I do. Whenever I click pictures, I like to do smile because I don't like to click pictures with straight face.
When do people smile at others?
Well, people smile at others when they meet to each other, like in the mornings, when they greeting each other with a good morning. Apart from that, when someone meet to a new people, they also like to do smile.
That's good. Can you recognize a fake smile?
Yes, I can recognize a fake smile because I have a lot of experience. Apart from that, I can judge a person from his face expression.
Okay, good. Let's talk about jeans. How often do you wear jeans?
I often wear jeans for my classes on the weekdays. Apart from that, I also like to wear jeans for the functions as well as marriage and occasions.
Why do you like to wear jeans?
As I mentioned in my previous answer, I feel more comfortable in jeans. Apart from that, jeans are long lasting and I get also lots of compliments from my friends when I wear jeans.
That's good. Why do you think jeans are so popular nowadays?
Well, nowadays jeans are popular among the youngsters because these are long lasting, and apart from that, they don't have any need to wash their jeans every day. So because of these reasons, jeans are popular.
Okay, let's talk about celebrity. Who is your favorite celebrity in India?
Well, as India is a land of celebrities, there are many celebrities in my country, but my most favorite celebrity is Sidhu Moosewala because he is very close to me and I wanted to become as him.
Okay, do you like any foreign celebrity?
Yes, definitely. I like many foreign celebrities as I have good interest in foreign movies as well as series, and I admire some of them like Jason Statham and Paul Walker is 2 of them.
Okay, would you want to be a celebrity in the future?
No, definitely not. I wouldn't want to be a celebrity in future because I think celebrities have to face a lot of difficulties about their personal life. That's why I have no idea to be a celebrity.
Do you think we should respect the privacy of famous people?
Yes, definitely. Each and every person should respect the privacy of celebrities because we don't have right to interfere in the privacy of someone's life. Apart from that,
okay, that is the end of part 1. And now we will continue with part 2. For part 2, I'm going to show you a card. Okay, here's your paper and pencil. You will have 1 minute to prepare it. Okay? Your time starts now. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now you will have 2 minutes. Okay, before that also I can make you stop. Your time starts now.
Well, I have met many persons in my life from the diverse backgrounds, even some foreigners, although sometimes my experience was not as authentic as I wanted, but the most of the time I was as happy as Larry. Here I would like to shed some light on a foreigner who speaks my native language very well. He is none other than Michael Jackson. He is none other than my Facebook friend, and I met him approximately a couple of months before. Basically, he is an American person and English is his mother tongue. But being a multilingual person, he can speak many languages like Punjabi, English as well as Hindi. Apart from that, I came to know about him when I was searching my Instagram account. On that time, I came to know about him. I watched one video in which this person was speaking about the organic farming, and I was amazed because I think that how an American person can speak my native language very well. Apart from that, when I went to comment box, I came to know that this is really an American person and he has a lot of knowledge about the my language. And after that, I could not trust myself to follow him on the social networking applications, and I started following him. And one day I watched his one of videos in which he said that how he learned English. He told that an Indian family has been living at his house as a tenant for 6 years. By communicating with them, she learned this language. Apart from that, he also said in one of his videos, like when he was in middle school, he opted Hindi as an optional subject. That's why he learned this language very well. Moreover, when it comes to a question how he can speak this language very well, to be honest, I have nothing to speak bad about about the language of this person because he has a lot of talent and skills of Hindi. More to cut the long story short, this is one of the person who can speak my native language very well.
That's good. Okay, let's start with third part follow-up questions. What foreign languages do Indian children learn?
Well, Indian children learn many foreign languages like English. Besides English, they also learn other languages like French, Urdu as well as Spanish because they have more opportunities nowadays.
Okay, why do Indian children learn English?
Well, there are a number of benefits why Indian children learn English because it has become the lingua franca. Apart from that, Indian children are learning this language because it will open up many vistas of employment for their upcoming life, like in the working sector. Apart from that, it is easy in India to find an English teacher as compared to teachers of French, Urdu and other languages.
That's good. How can you help children learn English?
To be honest, it is difficult for me to help the children in learning English because my English is not much good. As you can see that I am still making some mistakes, but I can recommend some applications which would be fruitful for them to learn English, and I can also suggest some YouTube channels like Share School Institute.
Okay. Do you think the way people learn English today is same as in the past?
Well, some ways are the same as in the past, but some ways are changed. Like when I was in school, I learned English from my teachers, and many children are still learning in the same way. But nowadays, children have more options. Like they can learn English on the internet. They don't have need to go somewhere. Apart from that, time and place doesn't matter in this present scenario.
That's good. What are the benefits of the internet for people's learning?
As internet has lots of benefits for people learning, like they can utilize their time in a better way. Apart from that, they can learn anything anytime. Also the most of content on the internet is free of cost, so it is become more affordable for the middle class students. They can learn language in a great way.
That's very good. That is the end of your speaking test. Good luck.
Thank you, ma'am.
ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਪੀਕਿੰਗ ਟੈਸਟ ਦੇਖ ਹੀ ਲਿਆ ਹੋਣਾ, ਅੱਜ ਆਪਾਂ ਜਸਕਰਨ ਦੀ ਸਪੀਕਿੰਗ ਲਈ ਆ ਤੇ ਹੁਣ ਆਪਾਂ ਪੁੱਛਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਜਸਕਰਨ ਦਾ ਐਕਸਪੀਰੀਅੰਸ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਦਾ ਰਿਹਾ। ਓਕੇ ਬੇਟਾ ਦੱਸੋ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸ਼ੇਅਰ ਕਰੋ।
ਮੇਰਾ ਐਕਸਪੀਰੀਅੰਸ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ ਰਿਹਾ, ਮੈਨੂੰ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ ਲੱਗਿਆ ਸਪੀਕਿੰਗ ਕਰਕੇ। ਤੇ ਇੱਕ ਮੈਂ ਗੱਲ ਕਹਿਣਾ ਚਾਹੂੰਗਾ, ਕੋਈ ਪ੍ਰੀ ਪਲਾਨ ਸਪੀਕਿੰਗ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੀਗੀ। ਮੈਂ ਚੱਲ ਕੇ ਕਲਾਸ 'ਚ ਰੀਡਿੰਗ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ ਸੀਗਾ, ਸਰ ਆਏ, ਸਰ ਨੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕਿਹਾ, ਮੈਨੂੰ ਮੈਮ ਨੇ ਬੁਲਾਇਆ, ਮੈਂ ਆਫਿਸ 'ਚ ਆਇਆ, ਮੈਂ ਨਰਵਸ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਸਪੀਕਿੰਗ ਚੱਲ ਪਈ। ਇਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਮੈਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਨਰਵਸ ਹੋਇਆ, ਥੋੜ੍ਹਾ ਨਹੀਂ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਪਹਿਲੀ ਵਾਰ ਮੈਂ ਮੋਬਾਈਲ ਕੈਮਰਾ ਸਪੀਕਿੰਗ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ ਸੀਗਾ, ਹੈਜ਼ੀਟੇਟ ਹੋਇਆ, ਪਰ ਮੈਂ ਆਪਣਾ ਬੈਸਟ ਦੇਣ ਦੀ ਕੋਸ਼ਿਸ਼ ਕੀਤੀ। ਹੁਣ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਮੈਂ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਕੌਨਫੀਡੈਂਟ ਹੈ ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮ ਦੇਣ ਲਈ, ਤੇ ਜਦੋਂ ਮੈਂ ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮ ਦੇਣ ਲਈ ਜਾਊਂਗਾ ਮੈਂ ਵਧੀਆ ਸਕੋਰ ਅਚੀਵ ਕਰੂੰਗਾ। ਮੈਨੂੰ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ ਲੱਗਾ ਸਪੀਕਿੰਗ ਕਰਕੇ।
ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਜਿਸ ਕਰੇ ਨੇ ਦੱਸਿਆ ਕੋਈ ਪ੍ਰੀ ਪਲਾਨ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੀਗੀ ਐਗਜ਼ੈਕਟਲੀ। ਸੋ ਮੌਕ ਟੈਸਟ ਚੱਲ ਰਿਹਾ ਸੀਗਾ, ਸੋ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਲੱਗਿਆ ਕਿ ਬੱਚੇ ਨੂੰ ਕੌਨਫੀਡੈਂਟ ਕਰਨ ਦੇ ਲਈ ਇਹ ਬੈਸਟ ਤਰੀਕਾ ਹੈਗਾ, ਰਾਈਟ। ਤੇ ਇੱਕ ਚੀਜ਼ ਹੋਰ ਨੋਟਿਸ ਕਰਿਓ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ, ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਜਿਸ ਕਰਨ ਨੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ ਵੋਕੈਬਲਰੀ ਵੀ ਯੂਜ਼ ਕੀਤੀ ਹੈ, ਜਸਟ ਲਾਈਕ ਲਿੰਗੁਆ ਫ੍ਰੈਂਕਾ ਯੂਜ਼ ਕੀਤਾ ਇੰਟਰਨੈਸ਼ਨਲ ਲੈਂਗੁਏਜ ਦੇ ਲਈ, ਐਂਡ ਓਪਨ ਅਪ ਮੇਨੀ ਵਿਸਟਸ ਆਫ ਇੰਪਲੋਇਮੈਂਟ ਯੂਜ਼ ਕੀਤਾ ਆ ਗੈਟ ਇੰਪਲੋਇਮੈਂਟ ਦੇ ਲਈ, ਰਾਈਟ। ਸੋ ਇਦਾਂ ਦੀ ਵੋਕੈਬਲਰੀ ਹੈ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵੀ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਐਡ ਕਰਨੀ ਹੈ, ਸੋ ਦੈਟ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਡਿਜ਼ਾਇਰਡ ਬੈਂਡ ਸਕੋਰ ਇੱਕ ਵਾਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੱਢ ਪਾਓ। ਓਕੇ, ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ, ਗੁੱਡ ਲੱਕ ਪੁੱਤਰ ਜੀ, ਬਾਏ ਬਾਏ।